All right, good morning, everyone. Or maybe good afternoon. Depends what part of the world you're in and what time you're watching this. Al Martins from Fence Armor. Great to be here with you all. This is our third in the series of LHI and the restoration project they did for a customer's, deck. And ultimately, this is a process that takes us from removing of all the deck boards as the foundation was still in good shape and understanding that they could use the initial foundation, replace the deck boards, and refinish the entire deck with a perfect stain to revitalize what was there economically to make the project affordable to the customer and reusable. No point to throw away good wood, as it were. And they also changed the old wooden balusters and replaced them with the Titan Aluminum Balusters, which have a great advantage in that their connectors allow for quick placement and replacement. So if you ever want to stain the area again, you can just pull off the balusters and stain and then put them back on. And those connectors won't get filled up with stain. So it's a really nice, quick way to remove the balusters. And it looks like a really nice tailored look. You don't have to toenail the rails into the posts. That's another nice solution. So the shadow rail and the Titan balusters make a good combination to really spruce up what could be your second level on your deck. Allow for an architectural look that you couldn't get any other way easily. What makes these balusters different? First of all, they're made in North America. So the aluminum is extruded in North America, I believe in Canada, so it's locally sourced. The big differentiator are the connectors and how they're able to be placed into the rails and then clipped on and clipped off very easily. Most other systems are a permanent solution. The baluster is in place and there's really no way to get them out easily. So having that capability to mount them and unmount them very quickly really makes the difference. With a baluster assembly and the shadow rails on the two rails, you could actually lift off a section of your railing so that you could have easy access for equipment or for a wheelchair or for whatever it happens to be to allow you to pull off that section and then use it and then put it back on again. So you can still have a seamless look most of the year, but still pull it off when you need to. If you go to the deck shop area, that's where you'll find all the Titan products for the anchors, for the balusters, for shadow rail, all the components that make this a great project. Well, this wraps up our third video of this LHI installation and restoration. They did a great job with. We're really happy to work with them on it. Everything that was used in the project can be found on our website at fencearmor.com. If you've missed episode 1 and 2, check them out here or here. Stay tuned and thank you for joining us on the Fence Armor channel.